Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can actually retrieve the data from a database. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to comment out the code from the previous question, previous video, and I'm just going to comment that out. Now this time what I'm going to do is, I've left the top line because we need to connect to the database. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cursor.execute, and this time I'm going to select. If you've done GCSE computing, you will know when we're writing an SQL statement, we need select from where. They are the most important keywords when we are carrying out an SQL statement. So here I'm going to select star from employees. The star will select all of them, and I'm going to order by it's ordered by S name, and then for X in cursor.fetch all print X. So all I'm doing is a quick for loop which is going to fetch all of the contents from a particular table. Now if I run this, it's now returned 3 people that we had in the previous video and who we have in our table, and it has returned all of those people.